the girls. Hey girls. Brick. Well, I wasn't going to make a video about this, but this is my second chicken coop. I don't know if you can see me alright, but this is going to be my second chicken coop. And I took some different approaches this time. Instead of putting insulation in the walls, put styrofoam. It's a lot faster. And I used some timber sawed wood. A person could actually cover up the slots with a little 1x3 and then stain that, but what I'm going to do is put shingles like on the roof. See? And this is a view from the inside. Right? The walls and everything. This is where I'm going to put the laying boxes. And right here is where the chickens are going to come in from the pen area. And underneath their living quarters, it's actually boxed in, right? So they have a wind protection around here. And what you see on the side here is going to be the clean chute. If you want to clean the chips and stuff, the bedding, whatever you put in there. And all you have to do is actually put a 100-watt light bulb at the ceiling there and some roosting bars, and the chickens stay up there. They stay nice and toasty and warm in the winter time. That's what it looks like from here. This chicken coop is actually 6x10 by 6 feet tall, and it's great for walking in there, and like you got plenty of room. You're not in constrained quarters, right? And around this area here is going to be chicken wire, and the door is going to be over here, up and down, like, right? And there's going to be chicken wire at the peak there. And this peak here, I forgot. I'm going to make that open. I got to saw that board. That's where I'm going to put the option to remove a venting area there, the triangle. If I remove that board, I can vent out in the winter time, in the summertime, because it's hot, and put it back in for the winter time. Right there. I put some weatherproofing. This is not Tyvek, but it's a vapor barrier. Like, it won't let the wind through, but it'll let the humidity out. And you can only put it one way, because one side has like a cotton sensation to it, and the outside feels like plastic. But there's little holes in that plastic that won't let the water out. And these are flashing, right? Instead of using metal, aluminum, or whatever, this plastic is good enough to serve as a water barrier. And right now I'm framing the doorway for cleaning out the chips. And everything gets a covering so the wind doesn't go through the building. This is the laying boxes. There are 5 boxes. There's a certain dimensions that the boxes should be. 10 by 12, 13 by 12, 13 by 10. They could be slightly smaller, but I don't have enough room for 6. And there's going to be shingles all across this roof here, and then there's going to be a door that opens this way so I can get, or the customer or whoever buys it, if somebody buys it, can actually retrieve the eggs.